Your job is not your life. It is just a job. Number 1. Your company is not your family. Companies exist primarily for profit and are not responsible for your personal well-being. Number 2. Your colleagues are not you friends. Keep in mind that people have their own interests and motivations. Number 3. If something bad happens to you, your company can easily replace you. Number 4. Stop believing corporate propaganda designed to brainwash and enslave you to a job. Number 5. Come to your workplace, do your job, get paid, and go home. Number 6. Remember that there is more to life than just your career. You may want to save this video for later and pass this on to someone who needs it. Drop a yes if you agree with me, and comment the text you love most. Bellow. God bless.